Let's look at solving systems of linear inequalities. So we have to remember some things in graphing inequalities. So one thing is to remember the boundary line. So if we have less than and greater than, less than and greater than, we have to remember those signs. This means that it is a dashed line, dashed boundary line, because we cannot include those numbers as solutions. Then we also have solid lines, okay, which has the less than or equal to or greater than or equal to. Then shading, less than, this is less than. And so with less than or equal to, for example, then we know that that is shaded below. Below. And then greater than or equal to is shaded above. Okay, just some things to remember. So what are the solutions to a system of linear inequalities? Basically, the solution to a system is the double shaded area. The double shaded area. Okay, that is our solution. So you can tell it's a little bit darker than the other two. It's a double shaded area. So let's graph this example. Graph the system of inequalities. So we'll graph this one. First, we need to write it in slope-intercept form. So let me write it over here. Negative 2x plus 3y is less than negative 3. Let's add 2x to both sides because we want to isolate the y. 3y is less than 2x minus 3, then divided by 3. So y is less than 2/3 x minus 1. So if we graph this line, you start at the 1, then you go up 2, right 3, up 2, right 3, down to left 3, down to left 3. Now we think about what type of a line is it? Is it solid or is it dashed? And so because it's less than, that means it is a dashed line. Okay, it's dashed. Less than means below, so let's shade below. Okay, so shaded everything below. All right, let's take a look at the other line. X is less than 3. So x, if you remember x, that is a vertical line at positive 3. So x is 3, is to the right 3. And then it makes a vertical line at that 3. And it is also dashed. Okay, dashed because it's just less than. And less than is over to the left of that vertical line. So let's shade everything to the left of that vertical line here. So what we're taking a look at is the double shaded area. That is the solution to this system. So I'm just going to write solution. Okay, solution, the word solution, and the double shaded area is here because we can tell it's pink and purple. So we need to find which of the following are solutions. We want to find if these are inside the double shaded area. So negative 2, negative 1. Is that in our double shaded region? Yes, it is. So left 2, down 1, that is there. So yes, that is a solution. How about 1 and negative 2? Yep, that is also in our double shaded region. How about 3 and 1? Now, it is on the line and it is on the purple, but because that line is dashed, that isn't one of our solutions. Okay, so that's not true. And 2 and negative 5, that is in our double shaded region, that's true. And then right 3 and up 5. Okay, so that is not in the purple region at all. Also on that line, so that is not a solution. Okay, so anything that is within this double shaded area, those are solutions to this system.